my name's Amethyst with WTI, and I'm super excited, in case you can't tell, to share with you guys this product right here, because it has been a game changer for my hair. This is the VERB Curl Foaming Gel, and as the name implies, it's kind of like a mousse, but it literally is just foamed gel. So it gives you that gel hold while giving you the mousse application. So it's really easy to distribute into your hair. It does smell slightly like tangerines, so if that bothers you, it is only a slight smell. I'm not a huge fan of orange smells, but I don't mind this one. And I really love basically the final product. Like, that is what's most important with products like this, right? So as you can see, I've got the curls going on. I haven't actually done my hair in kind of a long time, so I was surprised that they turned out so well for my first wash after a while, in terms of actually curl styling. And something that I've been struggling with a lot is getting my curl pattern back in my bangs. And as you can see, I've got the curls going on. I still have to train them a little bit, but this has been the best progress I've had all year with my curly bangs. So I've been loving this product. If you have curls or waves and you're just trying to make them a little nicer, make them fuller, maybe just trying out a different product as our hair does change based off of the products that we're using, then I highly recommend you check this one out. I seriously love it. I cannot recommend it enough. And that is my point of view.